Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail or restore deleted mails from Gmail. If you want to recover your all deleted emails from Gmail, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. After that you can see right top corner 3 button option. You can see desktop site, so click here. Go back. After that search email login. You can see email, Gmail, Google, so open it. And in this way I can easily recover or restore all deleted emails or mails from Gmail. So let's see. And in this here click on it. And in this way I can choose and open bin. And in this here I can see my all deleted emails or mails in this here. And in this way I can easily recover or restore my all deleted emails or mails. So let's see. So after that choose click here. And then after that click on it. And in this way I can choose inbox. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your permanently deleted emails or mails from your Gmail. After that I can show another way or second way. So let's see how to do that. And then you can see help icon, click on it. Help, open it. After that in this here search Gmail messages are missing. You can see Gmail messages are missing, open it. Gmail messages are missing. You can see computer, Android, iPhone and iPad. After that I can see most of my emails are missing. Click here. Scroll down. We can help find your missing emails and secure your account. Click on it. After that choose continue. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted emails from Gmail or recover permanently deleted mails from Gmail. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.